friends. I just wanted to share with you something that I bought today. As many of you know, I've had my trusty Coach bag for about 5 years now. It's been everywhere with me, but at this point it's getting really worn and weathered, and it's lost a lot of its structure. As much as I love this bag, I've been looking now to find its successor for a little bit. I was hoping to buy again from Coach, but they really didn't have what I was looking for. I was looking for something like this, a tote style bag with all the compartments, big capacity, also in camel leather, and they just didn't have what I was looking for. So I started to look elsewhere, and what I came across, and I'm sharing with you today, is its successor by Nat, which is called the Oxton bag, which is a men's bag, similar style, also with a camel leather look, but as you know, Nat's material is not actually leather. So it has pockets in the front, pockets in the back, and a big capacity space, a big cord for over the shoulder, and a big space for an entire laptop. So I'm really excited to begin to use it, and you guys should check out Nat. It's really affordable. This bag was just $185 Canadian, and we're here at CF Sherway Gardens where they have an actual Nat store. There's also one at Square One Mall here in the GTA. But this way I can find something that is really similar to what I was looking for, but at a fraction of the cost. My first Coach bag was well over $500, so I was able to save a lot of money by going in this direction, and I know I'm going to love it. So stay tuned for more.